Hey, what's up everybody? This is Nick and you're watching Travel Hackers, where we talk about how to get the most out of all your vacations. In this video, we're going to talk about the different Marriott credit cards that are offered. Marriott is one of the top hotel groups in the world, and they do have their own program, Marriott Bold, which is their reward program that rewards people for staying multiple nights at one of their hotel properties. Now, just like most credit cards, they do actually have. Now, Marriott, they do actually partner with several different credit cards in order to reward their members even more. So in this video, we're going to go through some of those cards and see what type of benefits you can earn. But before we do, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. The first card is going to be the Marriott Bold card. This card, it does have a 0 annual fee, but it doesn't come with a membership status. Currently, right now, they do have a 30,000 bonus points after you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months. Now, you do get 15 elite night stays, which would help you qualify towards silver. Now, with this credit card, you can earn 14 times total Bonvoy points for every dollar that you spend at a Marriott property. You'll have 3 times points per dollar just for spending at a Marriott property. And if you are a Marriott Boundless member, which I don't see why you would get a Marriott credit card if you aren't, you would earn an additional 10 times. And then if you're silver, you would get an additional 1 point. And then you would receive 2 times for every other dollar that you spend. So when it comes to this card, it really doesn't have that many benefits. It's just really if you are going to start vacationing, you know that you have a lot of vacations planned at Marriott and you're going to be planning to spend a lot on Marriott properties, then 14 times the points might be beneficial, but I would probably pass going to one of the next ones. The next card would be the Marriott Boundless card. Now, there's a $95 annual fee for this card. You'd be able to earn 3 free night awards, each night valued up to 50,000 points after you spend $3,000 on purchase in your first 3 months. You'd also have 10 times points on up to $2,500 in combined purchases towards gas stations, grocery stores, restaurants in your first 6 months. You'd also have free night award annually up to 35,000 points. Now with this card, you'd immediately achieve silver status, and after you spend $35,000 on this card, you would get gold status. You'd also would get 15 elite night credits. Now with this card, you'd actually be able to earn 17 times Bonvoy points for every single dollar that you spend at a Marriott property. Again, it's kind of broken up really weird. No matter what, earn 6 times points. And if you are a Marriott Boundless member, you would earn 10 times points. And then if you were a silver member, which this card does give you silver status, you would earn an additional 1 point. So basically with this card, you'd automatically earn 17 points. And then again, you would earn 2 times points at every other purchase. And then that would actually be after your first 6 months of having the card, because you would have that 10 times points. So again, like I said about the Marriott Bold card, if you were planning on staying at the Marriott properties, I'd probably skip over that one, go to one of the others. I would definitely go with this one. Your welcome bonus is 3 night stays at a Marriott property. You earn more points. You receive an annual anniversary of a night as well. So just for having this card, you'd have potentially 4 nights that you'd be able to get after your first year. And then the first 6 months, you're able to get 10 times points on all those different options. The next card is the American Express Marriott Business card. There's a $125 annual fee for this card, and the sign-up bonus is 75,000 bonus points after you spend $3,000 in purchases in the first 3 months. You'd achieve immediate silver elite status. And again, after you spend $35,000, you would be upgraded to gold elite status. You'd receive a $150 statement credit, and this is going to be towards your Marriott stays. And when it comes to earning points, they're a little bit more straightforward. You would receive 6x points per dollar spent at Marriott properties, 4x points for US restaurants, gas stations, wireless telephone services, and then you would receive 2x points on all other eligible purchases. And just like all the other cards, you would receive 15 elite night stays. And just like all the other cards, you would receive 15 elite night credits. Now the last card is going to be the Marriott Brilliant card. This card, it does have a $450 annual fee, so it's definitely not for everybody. Now if you are planning on staying at a lot of Marriott properties, this one is going to offer quite a bit of benefits. This card, you will earn 75,000 Marriott Boundless points after you spend $3,000 in purchases in the first 3 months. You will also have a $200 statement credit in the first 6 months for US restaurants. Now this card, you will receive immediate gold status, so it's going to be a 1 tier higher than all the other cards will offer. Not silver, you're going to go to gold. And you'd be able to upgrade to platinum if you spend $75,000 on this card. Now you would receive 1 night up to 50,000 points on your card anniversary. You'd have $300 in credits at Marriott properties, as well as 15 elite status nights. Now this card, it does offer a lot more than just benefits towards Marriott. So you're also going to be able to have priority pass membership, as well as a credit for TSA pre-check or global entry, which it seems like every single credit card at this point, you're going to have to give a credit for TSA pre-check or global entry and priority pass. If you're a top tier credit card where you have an annual fee of $450, you're just going to have to offer these. And you'd be able to earn 6 Marriott Bonvoy points for every dollar you spent at a Marriott property, at US restaurants, and flights booked directly with the airline, and then 2 points on all other eligible purchases. So those are the credit cards that are co-branded with Marriott. Now, if you're really going to go all in on Marriott stays, I would definitely say the Marriott Brilliant card is going to give you the most amount of benefits for your stays. You get gold status, you get statement credits for Marriott, free night on your anniversary. The only downside is you're not going to earn quite as much money with the co-branded American Express cards as you do with the Chase cards. So if you were really going to go with Marriott, I'd probably double down. I would go with the Marriott Brilliant card and then the Marriott Boundless card. You do also receive another night with the Boundless card, but really the benefit to having that card is the amount of points that you'd be able to earn with that card. You're going to be able to earn 17 times points for every single dollar that you spend at a Marriott property. So if you really are planning on staying at Marriott quite a bit within a year, those 2 cards, they're going to give you a combined 3-night stay and the maximum amount of points that you'd be able to earn with them. So that's my thoughts when it comes to the Marriott co-branded credit cards. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.